I'm Sean McBride. We're at Revival Freeride Skate Shop here in Ogden, Utah. Today we're going to learn tricks and tips for longboards. First trick you might want to try on a longboard would be the slide. As you approach the slide, make sure you're coming with proper speed. If you're going too slow, it's going to be hard to slide. As you approach the slide, carve really hard to one side. Make sure all your weight is on your front foot, and as you put that weight on your front foot, let your back foot swing around, producing the slide, and end up going backwards so that your back foot is now in front and ride away. A common mistake when learning how to slide is coming in with proper speed, putting all your weight on your front foot, but not committing to get your back foot all the way around. If you do this, you'll end up doing half the slide and then just stop falling off your skateboard. Make sure to keep your back foot in motion until it gets all the way around to do the full slide. So to learn the slide on a longboard, the tricks and tips would be come in fast, make sure all your weight is on your front foot, have the proper angle, then make sure your back foot follows all the way around on the slide so you end up going backwards. And those are some tricks and tips on longboards.